Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing east facing house plan of plot size 47 feet by 53 feet 9 inches, and it is beautifully balanced 2 BHK east facing house plan designed for a generous 2526 square feet of plot, and it offers a spacious 1457 square feet built up area. And this home features a grand 29 feet 60 by 60, 16 feet portico or car parking space, and it is ample for car parking, a central open passage for great airflow, a dedicated dining area, and a convenient service area connected to the kitchen. It is an ideal layout for families looking for a comfortable, traditional, and spacious home. Let's get into the plan for detailed room by room Vastu explanation. Near our main gate in the northeast corner, we have our underground or water tank or bore or sump, and the water sump is placed in the northeast corner, that is Ishanya corner. In Vastu, it is a water limit zone, and placing underground water here attracts wealth and clear thinking, and we provide the same here in this plan. And after that, we have our car parking space. I already mentioned the dimension, and our main door faces east, and which is highly auspicious. It welcomes the first rays of the morning sun and bringing positive energy and prosperity into the home. And into the main door, we have our living room of size 21 feet 6 inches by 17 feet, and we provide sofa location in the north side, and our TV showcase unit over here. And coming to the kitchen, and it is positioned in the southeast corner and known as the Agni or fire corner. This is the absolute best direction for a kitchen in Vastu. It promoting good health and happiness. And this kitchen is featured with a size of 9 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 6 inches. And the kitchen room, the water sink is placed in the northeast, and since it is a water area, we kept the water sink in the northeast of the kitchen room. And we also have a dining space over here of dimension 14 feet by 10 feet, and we provide a 6-seater dining area over here. And into the kitchen, we have a little service area of measurement 4 feet by 10 feet. And now coming to the master bedroom, the southwest of the plan, we have our master bedroom of size 14 feet by 16 feet 3 inches, and our bed sleeping position is the position in the south and wardrobe in the west. As per Vastu, the bed sleeping position or wardrobe in the west and bed sleeper south are perfect for improved wealth and prosperity, and we provide the same here. And coming to the southwest position, this southwest represents the earth, that is Nairobi corner or Guderamula, Kannimula. It provides stability and strength and peace, and making it the perfect spot for the head of the family to rest. So we allocate this master bedroom as for the head of the family. And coming to the attached toilet of size 5 feet by 10 feet. And in this attached toilet, we provide our commode pointed towards north. As per Vastu, we should place our commode pointed towards north or south. So we keep the same over here. And we have a deep passage in front of the master bedroom of size 9 feet 6 inches by 6 feet 3 inches. Opposite the master bedroom, we have our kids' bedroom, that is in the northwest corner. And placed in the northwest corner is which is ruled by the wind element, and this is an excellent energetic direction for children's bedroom or guest room, and it is highly suitable for the growing children since the wind is represent the moment or something, so it will be ideal for the kids room. And this kids bedroom is measured in the size of 11 feet 6 inches to 16 feet, and this bedroom is also provided with an attached toilet of size 4 feet by 10 feet. And in this toilet also we kept our commode pointed towards north. And coming to the puja room, the puja room is placed on the eastern side of the house and ensuring you face a positive direction during daily prayers. And this puja room is featured with a size of 5 feet by 5 feet. And we have an external staircase over here to access to the above floors. That's all with the overall plan. You can see the clear view of the overall plan. You can get more such plans on our website, houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world. Our apps are available on the Google Play Store, House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Plannest and Designist apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Sastra. If you're interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 29063 to join. Thank you.